Install StudentSquare app, so just tap get and double click to install. You will be able to install it. StudentSquare is student communication companion to ParentSquare app. StudentSquare provides safe and secure platform for all student communication at school, two-way group messaging, private conversation, district-wide alerts and notices, and simple user interface keeps everyone connected, creating a vibrant school community. With StudentSquare for iOS, students can easily connect with teachers and staff at their school from their iOS device. The app allows students to view all classroom communication, receive app notifications, stay up to date on the latest school news and announcements, send direct messages to teachers, view photos and videos posted by teachers, fill forms online. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's how you can just sign in with Google, add your school, and then you can just use it as an app while studying. Another popular app is just called ParentSquare. So this is like a very popular app. It's a safe, secure platform for all school-to-home communication. With ParentSquare, parents can easily connect with teachers and staff at their children's school from their iOS device. So ParentSquare is app for parents, StudentSquare is for students.